The Airbus A380, a name synonymous with aviation grandeur, was born from a vision of unprecedented passenger capacity and unparalleled luxury in the sky. In the late 20th century, as air travel witnessed a surge in demand, Airbus recognized the need for an aircraft that could efficiently transport large numbers of passengers between major international hubs. This need was driven by the increasing congestion at these hubs, with airlines seeking ways to maximize passenger volume without a corresponding increase in the number of flights. The concept of a super jumbo jet, capable of accommodating over 500 passengers, was not entirely new. Boeing, Airbus's American rival, had already achieved success with its iconic 747 jumbo jet, which revolutionized long-haul travel. However, Airbus envisioned an aircraft that would surpass the 747 in both size and passenger capacity, setting a new benchmark for air travel. This ambition stemmed from Airbus's belief that the future of aviation lay in hub-and-spoke travel, where passengers would be funneled through major airports on their way to their final destinations. Airbus believed that the A380, with its immense capacity, would become the linchpin of this hub-and-spoke model. The aircraft would serve as a high-capacity shuttle between these hubs, alleviating congestion and offering airlines a cost-effective solution to the growing demand for air travel. This vision was further fueled by projections of continued growth in air travel, particularly in emerging markets, which promised a bright future for a super jumbo jet. However, the A380 program was not without its skeptics. Some industry analysts questioned the long-term viability of the hub-and-spoke model, arguing that smaller, more fuel-efficient aircraft would eventually dominate the market. These skeptics believed that airlines would increasingly favor point-to-point travel, bypassing major hubs altogether, and that the A380's immense size would become a liability in a market driven by flexibility and efficiency. Nevertheless, Airbus remained steadfast in its belief that the A380 would redefine air travel and solidify its position as a leader in the aviation industry. Developing the A380 was a monumental undertaking, pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering and requiring unprecedented international collaboration. The sheer scale of the aircraft presented numerous challenges, from designing wings large enough to generate sufficient lift, to developing landing gear capable of supporting its immense weight. Airbus assembled a global network of suppliers and partners, each contributing their expertise to this ambitious project. One of the key innovations of the A380 was its extensive use of composite materials, which offered significant weight savings compared to traditional aluminum alloys. These lightweight materials, primarily carbon fiber reinforced plastic, were used in the aircraft's fuselage, wings and tail, contributing to its impressive fuel efficiency despite its size. This focus on lightweight construction was crucial for maximizing the A380's range and payload capacity. The A380 also incorporated advanced fly-by-wire technology, which replaced traditional mechanical flight controls with electronic systems. This technology not only reduced the aircraft's weight, but also enhanced its handling characteristics and safety features. The fly-by-wire system provided pilots with greater control and responsiveness, while also incorporating safeguards to prevent dangerous maneuvers. The development process was not without its hurdles. Technical challenges, particularly in the integration of the complex wiring system, led to costly delays and budget overruns. Coordinating the efforts of a global supply chain proved to be a logistical nightmare, further adding to the program's complexities. Nevertheless, Airbus persevered, driven by its determination to bring its vision of a super jumbo jet to life. After years of anticipation and meticulous preparation, the Airbus A380 took to the skies for its maiden flight on April 27, 2005. The event, broadcast live around the world, captivated aviation enthusiasts and the general public alike. The sight of the massive aircraft gracefully lifting off the runway was a testament to the ingenuity and collaborative spirit of the thousands of individuals involved in its creation. The maiden flight, lasting approximately 4 hours, marked the beginning of an extensive flight test program designed to rigorously assess every aspect of the A380's performance and safety. Over the course of this program, the aircraft underwent a battery of tests, including high-altitude and high-speed flights, engine performance evaluations, and landing gear stress tests. These tests were crucial for obtaining regulatory approval and demonstrating the A380's airworthiness to potential customers. The flight test program also provided valuable data that allowed Airbus to fine-tune the aircraft's design and systems. Engineers meticulously analyzed the data collected during each flight, identifying areas for improvement and ensuring that the A380 met the highest standards of performance and reliability. This rigorous testing phase was essential for building confidence in the aircraft and paving the way for its entry into commercial service. The Airbus A380 made its highly anticipated commercial debut on October 25, 2007, with Singapore Airlines operating the first revenue flight between Singapore and Sydney. The event marked the culmination of years of development, testing and anticipation, ushering in a new era of air travel characterized by unprecedented passenger capacity and luxurious amenities. The A380's entry into service was met with great fanfare, with airlines and passengers alike eager to experience the next generation of air travel. Singapore Airlines, renowned for its exceptional service and innovative approach, set the bar high with its A380 cabin configurations offering private suites, spacious business class seats that converted into fully flat beds, and enhanced economy class seating with increased legroom and personal entertainment systems. Other airlines followed suit, introducing their own unique cabin layouts and amenities to attract passengers and differentiate their A380 offerings. Emirates, one of the largest A380 operators, became synonymous with luxury air travel, featuring onboard showers, lounges, and even a first-class bar on its A380s. These luxurious amenities, coupled with the aircraft's spaciousness and quiet cabin, transformed the flying experience, making it more enjoyable and less stressful for passengers. Section 5, a flagship for the skies, airlines and the A380 experience. The Airbus A380 quickly became a flagship aircraft for many airlines, representing the pinnacle of their fleets and showcasing their commitment to innovation and passenger comfort. Airlines around the world, particularly those operating long-haul international routes, embraced the A380 as a symbol of prestige and a key element in their competitive strategy. Emirates, based in Dubai, emerged as the largest A380 operator, with over 100 of these super jumbos in its fleet. The airline leveraged the A380's capacity to establish Dubai International Airport as a major global hub, connecting passengers from around the world through its extensive network. Singapore Airlines, Qantas, Lufthansa, British Airways, and Air France also became major A380 operators, deploying the aircraft on high-demand routes between major international cities. For airlines, the A380 offered numerous advantages. Its large passenger capacity allowed them to consolidate operations, reducing the number of flights required to transport the same number of passengers. This consolidation translated into cost savings, particularly in terms of fuel consumption and landing fees. Additionally, the A380's range enabled airlines to offer non-stop flights between distant destinations, reducing travel times and enhancing passenger convenience. Section 6, changing tides, the shifting landscape of air travel. While the Airbus A380 initially enjoyed a period of success, the aviation industry began to undergo a significant transformation in the years following its introduction. The rise of fuel-efficient twin-engine wide-body aircraft such as the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350XWB challenged the A380's dominance, particularly on long-haul routes. These newer aircraft, with their advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials and fuel-efficient engines, offered airlines greater flexibility and cost savings compared to the A380. The Boeing 787 in particular proved to be a game-changer, enabling airlines to operate long-haul flights between secondary cities without the need for large passenger volumes. This point-to-point travel model, bypassing major hubs, directly challenged the hub-and-spoke model that Airbus had envisioned for the A380. As airlines increasingly favored these smaller, more fuel-efficient aircraft, the demand for super jumbos like the A380 began to wane. The global financial crisis of 2008 further exacerbated this trend as airlines became more risk-averse and sought to reduce their operating costs. The A380's high purchase price and operating costs made it less attractive compared to the more economical twin-engine wide-bodies. Section 7. The sun begins to set. The A380's production comes to an end. Faced with dwindling orders and a changing market landscape, Airbus announced in 2019 its decision to cease production of the A380. This decision marked the end of an era for the super jumbo jet, which had once been hailed as the future of air travel. The last A380 rolled off the assembly line in Toulouse, France, in December 2021, marking the end of a chapter in aviation history. Several factors contributed to the A380's demise. The rise of fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft, coupled with the increasing popularity of point-to-point travel, eroded the A380's market share. Airlines found it increasingly challenging to fill the A380's vast seating capacity on a consistent basis, leading to lower load factors and reduced profitability. The decision to cease the 380 production was a difficult one for Airbus, but it was ultimately driven by market realities. The company recognized that the demand for super jumbos had diminished and that its resources were better allocated to developing and producing aircraft that better met the evolving needs of the aviation industry. Section 8. A legacy in the sky, the A380's enduring impact. Despite its relatively short production run, the Airbus A380 left an indelible mark on the aviation industry. It pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering, showcasing what was possible in terms of size, passenger capacity, and technological innovation. The A380's impact extended beyond its impressive technical specifications. It transformed the passenger experience, offering unparalleled comfort and amenities that redefined luxury air travel. The A380's spacious cabin, quiet operation, and luxurious amenities set a new standard for passenger comfort. Airlines leveraged these attributes to differentiate their products and attract premium passengers. The aircraft's introduction sparked a wave of innovation in cabin design, with airlines competing to offer the most luxurious and comfortable flying experience. Moreover, the A380 demonstrated the power of international collaboration in the aerospace industry. The aircraft's development involved thousands of engineers, technicians, and suppliers from across the globe, working together to realize a shared vision. This collaborative spirit, fostered by the A380 program, continues to shape the industry today. Section 9. What lies ahead? The future of the Airbus A380. While the Airbus A380's production has come to an end, the story of this iconic aircraft is far from over. Hundreds of A380s remain in service with airlines around the world, continuing to connect passengers across continents and capturing the imagination of aviation enthusiasts. The future of the A380 will likely be characterized by a gradual decline in its numbers as airlines retire older aircraft and replace them with newer, more fuel-efficient models. However, the A380 is expected to remain in service for many years to come, particularly with airlines that operate high-density routes between major international hubs. Emirates, the largest A380 operator, has indicated its commitment to keeping the aircraft in its fleet for the foreseeable future, recognizing its enduring appeal to passengers and its continued relevance in certain markets. The A380's legacy will continue to inspire future generations of engineers and aviation professionals. Its impact on the industry, from its technological innovations to its transformation of the passenger experience, will be felt for decades to come. The A380 may no longer be in production, but its story is far from finished. It will continue to grace the skies, a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring allure of air travel.